The power of persistence. In a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Ethan. Ethan was known for his curiosity and determination. While other children spent their days playing, Ethan spent his time exploring the forests, reading old books, and dreaming of a world beyond the village. He wanted to become an inventor, to create something that would make life better for his family and neighbors. One day, while wandering through the forest, Ethan stumbled upon a rusty, broken-down windmill. It had once powered the village's mill, but had long been abandoned. Ethan saw potential in the old windmill and decided to restore it. He believed that with some work, he could bring it back to life and generate electricity for the entire village. He started working on the windmill every day after school. He gathered scrap metal, old gears, and anything else he could find. His hands were often cut and bruised, but he didn't mind. He was driven by the thought of what the windmill could mean for the village. No more darkness at night, and no more cold winter evenings. Weeks turned into months, and Ethan faced countless challenges. The other villagers laughed at him, calling his project a waste of time. Even his parents began to worry, urging him to focus on more practical things. But Ethan didn't give up. Every failure was a lesson, every setback an opportunity to learn. One evening, after a particularly tough day, Ethan sat alone by the windmill, feeling defeated. The wind was howling, and the night was closing in. He thought about giving up, about all the times he had failed. But then, he remembered why he had started. He thought of his family, his friends, and the village. With renewed determination, he stood up and continued working through the night. Finally, after almost a year of hard work, the windmill was ready. Ethan connected the last wire and held his breath as the blades began to turn. Slowly, at first, then faster and faster. The windmill creaked and groaned, but then, with a loud hum, it came to life. The lights in the village flickered on, one by one, until the entire village was bathed in a warm, golden glow. The villagers were amazed. They rushed out of their homes, cheering and clapping for Ethan. The same people who had once laughed at him now praised his persistence and vision. The village was transformed, and Ethan's windmill became a symbol of hope and determination. From that day on, Ethan was no longer just a curious boy with big dreams. He was an inventor, a hero who had changed the lives of everyone in his village. And he learned that no matter how difficult the journey, persistence and belief in oneself can turn dreams into reality. Ethan's story spread far beyond the village, inspiring others to pursue their own dreams, no matter the odds. His windmill stood tall as a reminder that with hard work, determination, and a little bit of imagination, anything is possible.